Due to the ongoing COVID-19 restrictions and of course for obvious safety reasons, there are 0 Mardi Gras parades happening in New Orleans this year. And that is a sobering thought. And who wants to be sober during Mardi Gras? Not many people. Well, as you know, New Orleans is not going to let anything rain on their parade, including the Krewe of House Floats. It's a brand new crew that was made for the year of no parades and doing carnival from home. It may not be safe to do normal Mardi Gras, but where there's a will, there's a way, and they have definitely found one. It's Mardi Gras for houses, so we don't get sick. Created by New Orleans resident Megan Boudreau, the Krewe of House Floats started off as an offhand joke that she had made on Twitter, saying that she was going to decorate her house and throw things at her neighbors. And soon enough, everybody wanted to participate. And now you can see, just take a look at some of these beautifully decorated homes. The decoration of house floats began on King's Day, the official start of carnival season. Nearly 40 neighborhood sub-crews have formed throughout the greater New Orleans region. There is even a sub-crew for NOLA expats in other states who, unable to return home for carnival season festivities, will be celebrating with house floats from afar. The map for all of the participating homes released February 1st is there, so you can tour all of the participating houses, which will be decorated with the traditional flair of the city's beloved floats. The Krewe of House Floats have also announced a giving campaign to raise $100,000 for those affected by COVID-19 restrictions and Mardi Gras event cancellations. For more information, maps, where to donate, you can visit their website at kreweofhousefloats.org. You can also go to their social media sites to see all of the amazing photos of all of the beautifully decorated homes. So if you can't make it in person, you can definitely enjoy seeing them all there. I hope you have a happy Mardi Gras, and I will see you back here with more good news.